Alright, what's happening guys? Gary Yaman here, and in today's video we're gonna test out the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro with gaming. So how is the gaming performance on this device? And let's start up with Brawlstars to see how things are going.
Turbo time!
So let's turn up the sound a little bit so that you'll hear also the sound. Let's see.
Energy drink crashing! No time, gotta move!
Alright, so Brawl Stars seems to be working pretty fine. Very smooth, very fast. Let's check out Call of Duty and see how this one is. And this is, by the way, just a raw video, so what that means, I'm just going to show you how things are in real life, right? So no cuts, nothing else, just how things are, just the same as you were supposed to have this phone and how things are going, right? So what I want to do is play some multiplayer, and let's go. Got some sweaty hands, man.
Hardpoint identified. It's too close. Fight harder.
Tango down.
Hardpoint locked down. We've taken the lead. Hardpoint contested.
Oh, man. Alright, so I'm not sure what the second settings were. I guess it was on the highest.
Hostiles have the
Let's
hardpoint.
check it real quickly. Audio graphics is on high.
Enemy UAV spotted.
Let's see if I can
We tied for the lead.
kill
Enemy
some more.
contact.
We lost the lead. Hostile care package inbound. Heads up, team. Enemy UAV spotted.
Oh man, too many people there. Okay, I just want to
Hardpoint
kill
contested.
somebody
Hardpoint lost. Hardpoint
real
is
quickly.
ours.
Then we're going to move on to the next game.
Identified. Counter UAV is up.
Oh man.
Hardpoint locked down.
Well, on this setting it works pretty well, pretty smooth. Let's go to the next one. And the next one will be Genshin Impact. Alright, take some time, I guess. Again guys, this is just how things are in real life, so that you have some kind of indication, some kind of feeling how things are working, right? Alright. Nothing much to say, guys. Just waiting for it. Alright, so let's see what kind of settings I got here. Graphics, so here I have it on, I think, one of the lowest settings, but on 60 frames per second. Get also an indication how things are going, right? So as you see, this game is a little bit more demanding for this smartphone. Tends to lag a little bit. I actually wanted to fight with some creatures or something. Let's see. Maybe we can find something here. Oh, here are some creatures to fight with. Let's go. There we go. Well, let's switch to a higher graphics mode. And let's see, graphics. Let's go to the highest, and it will say some graphic settings will something went too fast. Oh my goodness. Anyways, so it looks better, but the thing with this mode is that the smartphone will get a little bit more warm and hot on the rear of the device. That's very noticeable.
A hilly churl. Quick, get it!
Hey, what?
These monsters have been getting too close to the city recently. My
All right.
task this time is to clear out their camp.
So as you see, it is playable on the highest graphic settings. But for me, because things are getting a little bit too hot on the rear of this device, I'm gonna play it on a lower setting, simply because I don't want things to become overheated, and you know, when things are maybe might be damaging something from inside, I don't know, just a curious thing for myself, so to protect this device, right? So that's Genshin. Let's try out a different game. Let's clear the memory a little bit. Let's go to Pro Evolution Soccer 2021. PES 2001, guys. So this was actually a requested game from somebody that commented on my previous video about this smartphone, my unboxing video. So let's see if this is any good, right? I played it already and actually quite enjoyed this game. Take some time. Something is happening. Right. Let's go play a match real quickly. Barcelona versus Barcelona. Wow.
Glorious weather here as we welcome you to
Wow, just wow.
a match of
Alright.
considerable significance, great consequence in this part of the world. We've been talking about this one.
Let's see if I can score one.
Rolled up to it in fantastic numbers. You should have seen the roads outside the ground in the hour or two leading up to it. It has been bumper to bumper. The traffic has been extraordinary, but the level of expectation is also very, very high. And these supporters who were queuing around the block for their tickets as soon as we knew the date of the fixture, well, now they can't wait for it to begin. And begin it will any second now. This place simply a monument to the game. So much prestige, so much pride, so much passion whenever football is played here. As you can see, we've already started here. Run down the left. What can they make of it? Gets away from his opponents.
Oh my god.
Well, that is rather wayward.
Oh man.
Exciting
Okay.
sight on a football pitch. He had too much trickery.
Maybe I should pass it. Yeah.
Brilliant. Boyos.
Nice, nice, nice.
Hetic.
Oh.
On the other side, yet able to find the net. Roca. Boyos. Going for goal! Save again.
Oh well.
Outcome.
Okay.
Barcelona really putting a few chances together here. Taking one can only add to such good momentum now.
Oh my goodness. Anyways, that's the gaming performance on this Xiaomi Redmi Note Pro 10, guys. So how do you like it so far? Did you enjoy it? Let me know in the comment section down below. So I am actually enjoying it really good, really well. That's it. If you got any questions, I'm gonna do some more testing, gonna do a camera test to how the camera is and stuff like that. In case you're wondering how this looks, well, looks like this, guys. Looks like this. So thumbs up for this video, maybe even 2. Subscribe if you want to see more of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro. See you in the next one. Stay safe and stay healthy.